Like,
Good evening, dear students. Very good evening, and welcome to this Dhamaka, dear students. This Gate 2022 Premier League between me, Omkar, and Dheeraj sir. कि जो हो रहा है, dear students, between the strength of material and fluid mechanics. Come on, dear students, join this Menti War. It is going to be the fantastic rocking war between me and Dheeraj sir. Join this session very fast.
yes, good
Yes.
evening, guys. So today, once again, we are here with this GPL session. Okay, and guys, the last Menti war was between me and Suraj sir, and in that war, Suraj sir won, and Suraj sir ke sixer won. And today we have once again a war between me and Omkar sir. And today, the subjects are strength of material and fluid mechanics. So let us see today who is going to win. So I would be showing you the PPT where already that Mentimeter and their using credential for entering into that are mentioned. So you can definitely use them so that you can also get into that so that we can start the war. Okay, so I will be sharing the screen. Okay, yes.
Come on, guys. Share this session. Share this Menti War with your friends and participate in this rocking session, dear students. Come on. We want your valuable presence here to have this war between me and Dheeraj sir. Are you ready, Rishikesh, Suraj, Nilesh, Manas? चलो आ जाओ जल्दी से.
Yes, guys. So today you can see the war is between me, Dheeraj K Devils, and Omkar K Stars. And guys, as you can see from A to Z alphabet, D is coming in the starting alphabet and O is coming in the last alphabets. So that's why we are dividing the team. And the students who are having the name between A to N would be there in my team. And after that, from O to Z would be there in Omkar sir's team. So guys, you just need to take care of that. And now this is the war where we are going to have the questions from fluid mechanics and strength of materials. So guys, hope you are ready for this war as I have already announced. And one more thing I would like to say, like many of the students said on that, sir, we want some numericals as well. So 2 to 3 numerical questions also we have added, but as I told you that time limitations would be there. So the numericals are going to be in such a way that you can solve in that much time. So be ready for the war, guys. And as you know, what you need to do, you need to work on the two screens. One is YouTube, and other you need to also open the second, which is nothing but the www.menti.com. And for that, to go into login, you need to use the password use code as 92934630. Okay, because you need to answer on menti.com only. Okay, and so you need to work on two screen. If you have both phone and laptop, you can do one thing, that you can open the YouTube on the mobile and menti.com on the laptop, or alternatively you can do both. Okay, and this is the code which you can enter to participate in this war. And guys, today, as you know, the subjects are strength of material and fluid mechanics. So they both are the fundamental subject, and they are also common for mechanical and civil both branches. Even if you are interested in XC paper, this is a wonderful combination of SOM and fluid mechanics. So it is going to help you in that way also. So Omkar sir, I am very much excited today because today we are going to have a wonderful war, because last I remember that in the previous session we have seen many students who started from zero in the starting, and later they have just went up to the first, second, third top rankers. Parvinder was there as a topper in that war, and he maintained the first position throughout, but all other positions keeps on changing. So there was an excitement like we have in the IPL matches, like during IPL matches also one good player can change the whole game. So in that way the things have been seen. तो बिल्कुल वैसा ही excitement, वैसा ही entertainment, तो इसीलिए मुझे लग रहा है वैसा ही मजा. So guys, I would say just share this session with others as well, like the session so that other student can also join. Then we would be starting this war. Yes, guys. Omkar sir, would you like to add something here?
So definitely, dear students, if I see my record, the track record of this particular Menti War, so I don't know why. 2 times actually we played this war with the Suraj sir, and I definitely could not able to win till now. Today I am having this biggest opportunity to actually fight with Dheeraj sir and try to maintain at least one of the victory in our team. Okay, so please, dear students, this time you have to support me, because see, last 2 was basically we lost against the actually Suraj sir. So this is the biggest opportunity for us to show them, okay, the power of our team. Okay, so are you ready, guys? Are you ready, guys? So today, at any cost, dear students, our team should win against Dheeraj sir, and these two subjects are very basic, common subjects for the civil as well as mechanical engineering. So we want here the huge numbers, okay, in the participation. I hope everyone is excited and ready for the war. Is this fine? So, Dheeraj sir, shall we start? Shall we start?
Yes, sir. I feel we shall start now. So now we would be showing you the Mentimeter, and guys, the war is about to start. So be ready. And as I told you, we will be going with that strength of material and fluid mechanics. One question would be coming from fluid mechanics, other would be coming from strength of material. Initially, we will see the scoreboard after every question. Then after 2 questions, we will be going for the score after every 2 questions. And guys, the student who would be giving the answer fastest, obviously they would be getting extra points for that. So likewise, if you are giving the answer fastest, then also that will help you to reach sooner. And this thing is there in GATE as well, because sometime if you are going for GATE examination, time management also plays a very important role. If some questions are becoming lengthy, they require time, so you can save the time for the easiest questions so that you can use it. So I feel now that Mentimeter page would be about to come on the screen. So guys, be ready for that. Be ready so that also join there, as I have already shown you the code, and that code is also available in the comment section. Okay, so I feel we are ready. Yes, everyone.
And please remember that we have not added the numericals intentionally. So simple questions are there. So have a fun, dear students. Already you have prepared to the next level. We know that. But this is just in this particular tense situation, we come out with some such a games so that you get some refreshment. That is our main intention along with the study. Okay, so Dheeraj sir, shall we start?
Yes, yes.
Okay, come on, Suraj sir. Let us start.
Yes, sir. Omkar sir, share.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, guys, don't worry. We are about to start. Okay. As you know, we also need to move to the second website. So that may be some time taking. So don't worry about that. Okay. So Omkar sir would be sharing the screen within some seconds.
So this is the question.
Sir,
So
please
this is the first question.
Sir, do share the screen first. Okay. So share screen would be there. Don't worry.
Zoom.
It's about to come.
So question is visible.
Just wait. I feel there is some issue. So screen is not shared yet.
Okay.
Yes, 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 yes. So guys, this is the first question in front of you. Okay, you have already answered. 36 students. So 12 students have given the right answer. Yes, 12 students have given the right answer. The question was, I feel, Omkar sir, this was your question. Do read.
The concept of no slip at rigid boundaries is applicable to.
Yes, so answer have already been given. 12 students have given the right answer.
Flow of Newtonian fluid only, flow of ideal flow only, flow of all real fluids, or the flow of non-Newtonian fluids only. So it is flow for all the flow of all the real fluids.
Yes. So guys, I feel the result was not good for this question. Okay, so let us hope that in the next question you would be doing well. So guys, I feel 36 questions, 36 students have given the answer. So do join and also share this session with your friends so that they can also join. So now we are moving to the second question. The second question would be from strength of material. and I am expecting more number of students are going to give the answers. And guys, in the comment section already Menti code is given. So just join www.menti.com and their code is given. Enter that code and participate in this. So let's, Onkar sir, let's move to the second question. Now the question would be coming from strength of material, I feel. Yes. Just next. Okay, guys. So the question is coming. It is already mentioned. This is the code.
Leaderboard.
Okay. First of all, leaderboard would be coming. So once again, we are having Parvinder at the top for the, once again for the second Menti War in the starting. And rest you can see many students are there from my team as well, like Ayush, we can have we are having Mahesh, Atul. So these are the students who are from my team who are there. Okay, guys. So let's.
Ravinder is from my team, basically, sir. Today.
Yes, sir. I am saying other students. Okay. So let's. So you are getting the advantage of Parvinder,
yes,
right, students, sir. So let's move to the second question, sir. Parvinder, please change.
Parvinder जीत रहा है भैया, आज तो जीत के रहेंगे.
Parvinder, please change your name, yaar. Okay. So this is the second question, guys. So second question is from strength of material.
Chalo start.
Yes. So the maximum strain energy stored per unit volume in a body without permanent distortion termed as option A, modulus of resilience, option B, modulus of tenacity, option C, modulus of toughness, option D, proof resilience. Let us see how many of you give the right answer. Guys, you can understand the question. He is saying without permanent distortion. So it is a very important point which can help you in answering the question. I am hoping a very good result. I feel 35 students, 36 students are there. Let us see how many of you give the right answer. So guys, on YouTube, I can see there are around 50 students here, only 40. Why this less number? Do join here, guys, because without participating, you will not get that enjoy. Okay, very good, guys. So out of this number, 21 have given the right answer. So I feel better than the previous question, but still I want more changes, more improvement there. So guys, I feel 21 students have given the right answer. So I would like to say if the word without permanent distortion would not be there, then the answer would be something different. So let us see what is the new table, what is the new leaderboard position. So this time, once again, we are having a change now. This time Torricelli at the first. So I feel there is no change for me actually. So this time also Mahesh is there at third position. Atul is there at fourth position. Koi baat nahi, Onkar sir.
Sir, Torricelli, the smallest unit of pressure measurement. Torricelli. Okay, Thala Ajit again from my side. Oh, Parvinder, no issue. Very good, very good. Chalo, next.
Let's move to the next question. So this is from fluid mechanics.
Yes. The total head in the flow is the sum of, very simple question. The total head in the flow is the sum of whether it is a piezometric head and the datum head, piezometric head and the pressure head, piezometric head and the velocity head, and the piezometric head, velocity head, or the datum head, the summation of all. So just tell me what is the total head in the flow. Very simple question. Yes, come on. You know there are dynamic head, pressure head, and the datum head. But what is mean by this total head? Very fast, very simple question. So how to skip this question, Pravinder? Very simple, very simple. Come on, fast. Time's up, time's up. Yes, it is a piezometric head and the velocity head. That is P by gamma plus Z plus V square by 2G. This P by gamma plus Z is nothing but your piezometric head plus velocity head. That is the total head. So 20, only 20? Why this already, sir? Why? Chalo dekhte hain. Let us see the leaderboard.
No, sir, leaderboard would be coming now. Once again, Torricelli.
Thalla,
Yes.
Ajit, Thalla. Yes,
The
Thalla.
table is changing again and again. So
Again,
this
yes,
time
sir.
Ajit is at the first position. Sir, actually the name is Ajit. He must be in my team. Okay.
No. T for Omkar's team. Right?
So कोई बात नहीं, sir. Still there are many students who are improving.
Come on. I want see whatever the numbers I can see in the YouTube. At least those numbers should I see actually in this particular Menti War. Please. So use that code and join here in the Menti session. चलो आ जाओ भैया. धीरज सर जरा बताइए सर.
Okay, sir. Let's move to the next question now. So, guys, next question would be from strength of material. Be ready, guys. Yes.
Come on. And the question is here.
A ductile structure is defined as one for which the plastic deformation before fracture. Option A is smaller than elastic deformation. Option B vanishes. Option C equals to the elastic deformation. Option D is much larger than the elastic deformation. So guys, for your help, I would be saying mild steel is a ductile material. So I feel you know the stress strain diagram for mild steel. So based on that, you can answer very easily. If you have any idea about that, let us see how many of you give the right answer. Do come fast, guys. Otherwise, the timer is moving fastly. And guys, do share this session with others as well. And I want all of you to be present at Mentimeter, because here in Mentimeter, the number of students are lesser than the YouTube live presence. So why this difference is? Yes, only 3 seconds, 2 and 1.
That's it. Time's up.
This time, great.
Oh.
Sir, so this time I feel the improvement is there. 27 students have given the right answer, but I was expecting a bigger number. I was expecting at least 30 to be crossed for this question, because this was the easy question.
Let us see, sir. Let us see who is there.
Okay, so this time let us see, is there any change happened or not to the leaderboard?
Thala is there, sir. Where is Parminder? Fami, where is PSD?
Fine. But sir, we are also not very far. Mahesh is in my team. He's second. So I'm waiting that he would be reaching to first position soon. Okay, sir. I feel let's move to the next question.
Sir, before that, take those students who are there on the YouTube, please.
Yes.
42 students
so
are
guys, those who have not joined, you can see on the screen there is a website named www.menti.com. Go to that, use the code 92934630, which is also there on the screen. You can see on screen the code is available. In comment section the code is available. Just do join it, and guys, then only you can participate in this war. Because I would like to tell you, last time there was a student Carnot who have also participated, and he just come from the 0 point in between, and he ended at 3rd position. So when he can do, you can also do. Just try well and do enter into quiz, because still many questions are there. Okay, yes, chaliye Omkar sir.
And see,
the number is increasing, students are joining.
Students are joining, and we have given the fair chance. Basically, the quite good enough time we have actually provided these students. So please, so apply your skill, apply your knowledge, and time is quite enough. So don't worry, right? So let us have the next question from these fluid mechanics, and here it is. Yes. The linear momentum equation is based upon Newton's law of viscosity, Newton's first law, Newton's second law, or the Newton's third law. I hope this question need only 5 seconds, more than enough. 5 seconds are more than enough. Come on, dear students. I want the correct answer. I want 100% of you should give me the very correct answer. Okay. Chalo, linear momentum equation. It's based upon Newton's which law? सर बहुत ही टाइम दिया आज, अब ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे सर, बहुत दे दिया. इसमें क्वेश्चन भी डालते तो न्यूमेरिकल चल जाता.
I feel we have given the time, because if time is less, then there is some problem to the student when they are joining, because some of them are working in 2 screens in one device, then they have problems. So for that, those students we are doing it that way. Okay, so very good.
Yes.
Very good.
34.
This is a very good
that is very basic common sense 11th 12th question, dear students, but it is there in our fluid mechanics. when you talk about the dynamics of fluid flow, definitely the momentum equation is there. Yes, that is C. Chennai Newton's second law is the basic for the linear momentum equation. Very good, very good. Let us see the leaderboard. Who
Yes,
is
I would
there?
like to add one thing, guys. Those who are answering in the comment section, please don't answer in comment section and do join the Menti War, क्योंकि बाहर बैठ के देखने में वो मजा नहीं है जो ग्राउंड में उतर के खेलने में है. जब आपको मौका मिल रहा है, when you are getting the chance, just come to the playground. और सर देखते ही देखते बातों में लीडर बोर्ड चेंज हो चुका है, जैसा कि मैंने कहा. Very good, Mahesh. So now you reach to the first position. Try to maintain this. Okay, इज्जत का सवाल है यहाँ पर. चलिए ओंकार सर बढ़ते आगे.
Parvinder, what happened? Parvinder, my Thalaiva, my Thala, Torseli, where are you guys? Huh? How to participate? Suraj sir, can you just help him out? Prabhu, Vasudevan, how to participate? Please be here in this Menti from the YouTube.
Okay, चलिए sir.
Okay. I will go to the next.
Yes.
I will go to the next question.
Let's move to the next question, guys. This is question number 6. This is from strength of material now.
Chalo, sixth number question.
So the question is, guys, there are 3 wires of equal cross section and equal length, but of different material are fixed at the top of the support, a rigid block. Load of 2.75 kilonewton is applied on the block in such a manner that the rigid block remains horizontal. The load shared by the wire material 1 is, here it is given that E1 is equals to 2 times E2 is equals to 3 times E3. So all the wires have same area, same length, only their materials are different. So Young's modulus are different. This is the case of simple bars in parallel. Apply that. Solve this as you wanted to have some numericals. That's why intentionally we have added these numerical. So time is less. Let us see how many of you give the right answer. Options are there in front of you.
3, 2, 1.
Done. Yes, time's up. So I feel okay. So as it was expected, it was numerical.
Yes.
May not be able to solve this question. Yes, I can understand. But guys, that's the thing you were saying about numerical. So I have added very less number. Don't worry. So still 17 students have given the right answer. So for a numerical, I can say time was less. It's fine. Let us see what is the next position in the leaderboard after this question. What are the
sir, just after this 7th question, we will go for that.
Okay.
So every question, if we go for the leaderboard, it will be very time consuming.
Fine, sir.
Let us have this 7 number and then we will see the leaderboard.
Great.
Okay. Come on, guys. Come on. In the laminar flow between 2 parallel plates separated by a distance B. B is the distance between these 2 parallel plates. The head loss varies as, okay, whether it is directly proportional to this distance B, whether it is inversely proportional to the square of this distance B, whether it is directly proportional to the square of this distance B, or it is inversely proportional to the cube of this distance B. Okay. So these 4 options are in front of you. In the laminar flow between 2 parallel plates, or the gap is capital B. So they are asking, dear students, head loss. How the head loss is going to vary for this particular 2 fixed plates separated by distance capital B. So chalo jaldi se batao. Directly as B, inversely as B square, directly as B square, or inversely as B cube. Come on, very fast, very fast. 3, 2, 1, done. Done. Time's up. And the correct answer is, dear students, said it is inversely proportional to the B square. Yes. Fantastic. 23 students answered it correctly. But again, there are still more numbers I can see on the YouTube channel. Please be inside here in the Menti. Okay. So let us see here what is the leaderboard after this 7th question.
You can join Menti website, and code is already mentioned on the screen. It is there in the comment section also. Suraj sir is
Dekho, sir, there are so many changes you can observe here in the leaderboard.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Mahesh, very good, Mahesh.
So great.
And one more thing, Torseli is now at the 2nd position.
Yes.
Good thing. And why? I don't know, Parvinder, mere sher, mere cheete, my S. Where are you?
Sir, Parvinder is coming. Don't worry. Parvinder is coming slowly.
But he is not actually ready to come. Why? What happened, Parvinder? Chalo, come on, fast. Next question, Dheeraj sir, are you ready?
Yes,
Let's
yes.
go for the next question from strength of material. Let's have it.
So guys, fastly join because it would be a numerical, maybe. Okay.
Sir, numerical both लाया आप.
Sir, actually last time students requested for that. So last
Okay.
time student says ki sir, please at least add 2 to 3 numerical. So I have added some numericals just for that sake because they requested for that. Chaliye sir, karte hain start.
चलो start.
A thin cylinder of inner radius 500 mm and thickness 10 mm subjected to internal pressure of 5 MPa. The average circumferential or hoop stress in MPa is. So guys, you need to answer this hoop stress. Okay. So this is a very simple question from thin cylinder. Guys, join fast, otherwise the time would be lesser. If you remember the formula, it is a very easy question. If you do not remember the formula, you cannot derive at that time. Okay, so this is a very easy type of question from GATE as well. The formula for circumferential stress for thin cylinder, it has been asked 7 to 8 times before that. So be ready. I am expecting that this time more number of students would be giving the right answer.
Shailendra, join in the Menti. Shailendra.
Yes. So some are answering in comment section. Guys, please come to Menti. Okay, very good. So this time 33 students have given the right answer. That's great. And guys, I would like to say, like many of you are giving the answer in the comment section, it is just like when you are watching the match and if some player is getting out in less score, we are advising him, he have played a wrong shot. Why not you are joining the ground when ground is open to you? Okay, so join the ground because giving advice from the pavilion, it is not a very good thing. Okay, when you can come and join. Okay, so guys,
be a performer. Don't be a guide or coach here, please.
yes.
Perform here. Okay, and
guys,
enjoy it.
Already on the screen it is mentioned that which website to open, which code to use. You can just use and come and join. Still 50% students are 50% questions are left. You can still do wonder.
How many questions are there?
Yes. So let us go for the next question, sir.
Directly we'll go to the next. Then we'll go for the leaderboard. Okay, fine. So see, leaderboard I gaya. Mahesh. Torseli, come on.
Great.
Hala. Oh. PSD, come on. Parvinder aa raha upar. Very good. चलो next.
आज मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है कि लगता है I will win.
नहीं सर, आज मुझे परविंदर और थलाइवा जो भी है सब.
चलिए.
Never ever I have won this particular Menti War. Please. In a uniform laminar flow through the two-dimensional passage, the ratio of maximum velocity to the average velocity is simple little star. चलो बताओ in a uniform laminar flow है through this two-dimensional passage, ratio of maximum velocity to the average velocity. The ratio that they are asking. Just tell me whether it is 2, whether it is 1.67, whether it is 1.5 or it is 1.33. Options are in front of you. Tell me very fast. Very simple question. Yes. Sir, I think the time is more than enough.
Yes, sir. As for a theory question, it is yes.
So it should be on the tip of the fingers, these values. Right? Yes, Parvinder. Very good. Check. Yes, that is correct. Only 12. Why it is so?
Right answer.
Very simple. This is a very standard question, dear students. It is 3 by 2 times V max, V average, or V max is equal to 3 by 2 times V average. Yes or no? Yes, 1.5 is the correct answer. 1.5 is the correct answer. Let us go to the next question. Dheeraj sir, come on.
Yes, sir.
Directly जाते हैं.
So let us see this question, guys. This is the 10th one. After that, 6 more questions are there. This question is from SOM. Do join fast. For sigma 1 not equals to sigma 2 and sigma 3 is equals to 0. What is the physical boundary for a Rankine cycle or Rankine failure theory? This is from theory of failure. Okay. So guys, this is basically maximum principal stress theory. And guys, just look at the statement very carefully. Then only you would be able to answer it correctly. The answers The options are rectangle, ellipse, square, or parabola. So just answer it carefully because there are many chances that you may make some mistakes into that. Okay. So just look at it carefully and then answer. So it is from Rankine's theory of failure, which is nothing but maximum principal stress theory. In short form, it is MPST. So it is used for brittle materials. Okay. So let us see how many of you have given the right answers. Yes. Fine. 19 students.
But
So
why
guys,
numbers are so less?
yes. Guys, as I said, this was slightly confusing question. So generally people feel that if sigma 1 is not equals to sigma 2, I would like to say that whenever you are going to draw for Rankine's theory, it is going to be a square only. Sigma 1, whether it is equals to sigma 2 or not, it is independent of that because sigma 1 and sigma 2 are something between which you are plotting the graph. So failure point may change because of that. Okay, sorry, the point of loading may change because of that. But the entire square is going to be square only. It is not going to ellipse. The reason behind that, in strength of material, we have an assumption that material behaves same under tension and compression. Okay. So this time I feel some changes happened.
Many change. Oh,
Yes. So once again, Mahesh retained. So sir, let us move further. And also you can see at second position also, this is from my team only. So now you are at third position, sir.
see what Parvinder is doing, what
Maybe your
Thalajit is doing. I don't know.
question fluid mechanics can make some change. Just go ahead with that. Yes, sir.
Parvinder, I'm not happy.
Fine. Very good, Ayush. So it's really great to have you at top position.
Chalo bhai, very simple question. The laminar sublayer exists only in the laminar boundary layer, in all the turbulent boundary layers, only in the smooth turbulent boundary layer, only in the rough fully developed turbulent boundary layer. That is sublayer, laminar sublayer. You know where it is actually in existence. Even though in the turbulent region there is a laminar boundary area, that is a sublayer. Yes, tell me.
Come fast, guys.
Come on, join it fast and tell me.
Those students who are not at Menti, please join. Please join the war. Still many questions are left. Code can be seen on the screen and on comment section.
Yes, it is in all the turbulent layer. Yes, because in the presence of this laminar sublayer is everywhere in the turbulent region, turbulent boundary region. Yes, so yes, 21 students are saying, but I want more. Bhai, there are 68 students and 45 you are actually attending these particular questions. Very good. Okay, so I hope this is a very simple thing about this sublayer, laminar sublayer. In all the turbulent boundary layers, you will find it. That is laminar sublayer. Very simple question. Next question. भैया कौन है यहाँ पे, कौन है, who is there? Mahesh only, one second.
Yes, Ayush read to the first one.
Ayush कहाँ से
So
आया?
guys, I can understand and you can also see the this leaderboard that it is very exciting. It is going to be very exciting because differences are not more. Like you can see Omkar sir, Ajit, Thala Ajit is also very close. 7954805, only 100 marks difference is there. Even other students can also reach to the top positions. Let us start with the next question, sir.
Zenitsu, come on fast. आ जाओ भाई, आ जाओ ऊपर.
Question number 12, once again from strength of material. Yes, guys, in terms of Poisson ratio, the ratio of Young's modulus to the shear modulus of elastic material is. This is 2 into 1 plus mu, 2 into 1 minus mu. 0.5 into 1 plus mu, 0.5 into 1 minus mu. Let us see how many of you give the right answer for this. This is a straight away ratio between E and G. You know the relation between E and G. There are actually 4 elastic constant when materials are homogeneous and isotropic. And out of 4, E, G, mu and K are there. So this is going to be a relation between E, G and mu. Okay. Let us see how many of you give the right answer. Yes, yes, yes. Still 15 seconds, 14, 13, 12. The students who would be answering fast, they would be getting extra points for that. Mind this. Here, time management is also covered along with the accuracy. Both points are covered. Very good, guys. So 38 students have given the right answer. So इससे पता लगता है कि लास्ट थ्री क्वेश्चन सभी के स्ट्रॉन्ग है. Great, guys, great. बहुत ही शानदार, बहुत ही बढ़िया. But still, some students are not joining the war. I am worried for them. Please do join the war. Okay. Let us see if there is some change.
Ayush is there. K is where?
K
In your
is,
team.
yes, in my team only, sir. Now all the top 3 positions are occupied. So you need to wait, sir. Fine, guys.
Nenetsu, PSD, Thalaiva, Thala. What are you doing, guys?
Okay, sir.
See my step by step now, I'm demotivating. I'm so sorry to say, but come on, guys, come on. Kuch to karo yaar. Next question, very simple question. Take it. Out of 16, 13th question is here. Okay. In turbulent pipe flow inside the laminar boundary layer, the velocity distribution is what? In the turbulent pipe flow inside the laminar boundary layer, the velocity distribution is what? Parabolic, linear, logarithmic, or exponential, decay type? Come on, tell me. Very easy question. In turbulent pipe flow inside the laminar boundary layer, the velocity distribution is yes. Simple.
Guys, those who are answering comment section, once again, an advice, do join the Menti.
Rishabh Kumar, you are absolutely right, but I want to hear Rishabh because you are in my team. You can answer it here. It is linear.
Very less students have given the right
It is
answer.
linear, bhai saab. See. Kaise hoga mera sir? My team is not actually performing.
Sir, don't worry. Sometimes students also gets hesitated when they are looking at some kind of questions.
Last two questions.
Last three questions.
14, 15, 16. Okay.
Fine.
Come on. Take.
Outside dia of a hollow shaft is twice the inside dia ratio, inside dia ratio of its torque carrying capacity to the solid shaft of same material and same outside diameter. Guys, it is from pure torsion, and in pure torsion it is from comparison of shaft, and from comparison of shaft it is from case number 1 when outside diameter is same and material is same. But see which ratio you need to answer. Okay. So just look at the question very carefully, because a small mistake can make you to 0 from 2 marks. Okay. Options are 15 by 16, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, or 16 by 15. So please check which ratio they are asking. Okay. It is torque carrying capacity of hollow to solid shaft. Okay. So just see the statement carefully. So this time, let us see. Okay, 19 students have given the right answer. And for the students who have given B and C, I cannot comment on these options because they are not even the right options in any sense. So what are the mistakes are being done by the students who have ticked D? Actually, he was asking that the ratio of hollow to the solid shaft. If they would be asking from solid to hollow, then D would be the correct. So that's why I was again and again saying that please check whether it is hollow to solid or solid to hollow. Yes. So let us see the leaderboard now. After that, 2 more questions are left. This time I feel once again things are going to change. Wonderful. So this time
things are not changing for me at all.
No, sir. Parvinder is also lifted to 1 to 2 more positions. So after 3rd position, students are having. They are also nearby scorers, sir. Still chances are there. So have faith.
9,550.
Yes, sir, but they
How to
can
cover
answer
that.
fast. They can answer fast and get extra points. Yes.
Are you ready, guys? Chalo, last two questions now. Last two.
अभी भी chance है. ठीक है.
Let us see.
So guys, those who have not joined, please do join the Menti. Yes. Next question. Question number 15.
See, very simple. What is shear velocity? What is this shear velocity? A non-dimensional quantity, a convenient fixed quantity, the velocity of the fluid at the edge of the laminar sublayer, or the velocity of the fluid at the edge of the roughness. What is this shear velocity? V star. We call it as V star, the shear velocity. Chalo, tell me. Very simple question. Yeah, come on. Do something for our team. Do something. Thalai, Pravinder,
Mahesh.
There are only 2-3 students are there in my team. I can see here in the board.
Sir, all are ours only now. Whoever wins. It is just like in IPL, whatever team wins, maximum players are from India only. So we feel happy only.
So it is a fixed quantity, dear students. It is a convenient fixed quantity, shear velocity. See, I don't want to give explanation of these particular things. It's very simple things. And you know, the teams, the teammates from the DRSL, they are actually giving it very nicely. But why not from my side? Huh? Okay, no any issue. Let us see.
So I would like to add one thing. Nitin Bagri, why you are not joining Mentimeter? Join menti.com and use the code given on the screen. Okay. So after that, we would be having one last question. So you can see Parvinder got the extra points. And
yes, Parvinder is there in third position.
I already told you anything can happen till now. Okay. So abhi tak bhi kuch bhi ho sakta hai. Even aakhri question may be.
See, where is my Torselli? Where is my Torselli?
Sir, he is at last, you can see 7261. Not last, actually on the screen he is at last. Okay.
So he was there in the beginning, he was at the top. He or she. Let us see.
I feel, sir, the last question now. Let us see what happens.
Yes, Parvinder, formula is absolutely right. Root over tau divided by rho.
Yes.
That is perfect, Parvinder.
So last question, guys. Last question. Do join fast.
Chalo, come on, last question. Here it is.
For long cylinder column of uniform cross section, ratio of critical buckling load for the case with both ends fixed to the case with both ends hinged. Okay, when both ends are fixed and when both ends are hinged, this ratio. The similar type of question have been asked in GATE 2021. So intentionally, I have added this question in this Menti War. Options are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Answer it after proper calculations. Don't do silly mistake there. Last question. It can change the entire table. And this is also to show you one wrong answer can make you reach from top to bottom. Okay, and can make you from bottom to top.
I am not having the hope, sir.
You can see this. Okay.
There are no any hopes for me in this leaderboard.
Okay, so 21 students have given the right answer and 20 have given wrong answer as B also. If you know that for both hand fix, the equivalent length is L by 2, and for both hand hinge it is L. So you will be going for that, the square of that. Obviously, answer cannot be 2. Answer would be 4 only. Okay, so I don't know how you have answered it as 1, 2, and 8, but it would be 4. Okay, so I feel everybody got the right answer. Now let us see the final leaderboard, guys, and I would be showing you then the schedule for the rest. Okay, so I feel the final table is not going to change much, but sir, I feel yes. So wonderful, Mahesh. I would congratulate you on the first position. Ayush is second and Parvinder is third. So today, sir, my team won and I'm feeling really happy today because in the first war, I was feeling the same what right now you are feeling. Okay.
Mahesh, no any issue. Mahesh, congratulations. Heartiest congratulations from my team. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot, dear students.
Sir, it is the game of alphabets only.
Yes.
Okay,
But
sir.
why not in my actually team? Still now I have not actually won any not a single. I guess the
No,
Suraj
sir,
sir.
in the third position, as Parvinder is there. Okay, so there are four students, I feel, from your team also there. Okay, it's fine, guys. So now I would be sharing with you that what is the schedule for the next mentee. So today you played well, and I really feel very good for all of you. And I am expecting that in other upcoming mentee wars, you guys would be coming and doing in the same way or better than that. Okay. So let us see the schedule for other mentee wars. So Omkar sir, I will be sharing the screen. So please,
Yes, sir.
let us see. So guys, this is the schedule. This Menti War is already been completed, and today we have completed this. The next Menti War would be between production and HMT, means between Omkar sir and Suraj sir. Okay. So next would be between thermal and machine design on 28th. Okay. So let us see what happened to these two, and let us see who would be the topper of these two Menti quizzes. Okay. So hope for the best, prepare for the worst. यही strategy रखनी चाहिए हर एग्जाम में. हमेशा सोचना ही चाहिए कि it is going to be best in favor of mine, everything would happen, and prepare for the worst as well. Okay. So when you are going with this strategy, you are going to do well because you are prepared for everything. Okay. So let us see what is going to happen in other two mentees. So best of luck, guys, for the other two mentee wars. And then after that, we would be having one mock test also on, I feel, 2nd of February. Be prepared for that, where all the mechanical faculties would be coming together to take a live session where we would be covering complete mechanical engineering. Like last year also we have done, and you can see last year many questions were straightforward from, means only some data were changed, but they were very much similar from those mock tests. So do join that. Okay, so I will definitely say best of luck as well, because now exam is very near. So Omkar sir, would you like to add something?
See,
Then I will
there
do
is
the
one again. See, Dhiraj sir given me this again golden opportunity for me that on 26th of January, okay, on this Republic Day, we are meeting again with the production. I think this production, dear students, you should rock for me. Okay, so production versus HFT, so Suraj sir is going to be there in front of us. So kuch bhi karke bhai saab, as Dhiraj sir said, prepare for the worst, think for the best. Yes, sir. So come with the preparation, come with this. Of course, अब मैं क्या बोलूं, आपने already इतना सारा पढ़ चुके हैं आप. So come and have a fun with us, okay? And we are going to meet. Me means me and Suraj sir on 26th of January, same time, that is 11 p.m.
I would also be present maybe in comment section.
Okay, okay, welcome, sir.
So
Always.
guys, also I would like to add one more thing. Do like the session before leaving, okay? So that other students can also join. Also get the benefit of these questions, okay? So I feel for 2 days the war is over, and once again I would congratulate to the winner of the war. And once again, Mahesh, congratulations. So goodbye for this session. Thanks for joining. Yes, Parvinder, thermal would be there with Sonu sir. So in thermal and machine design, me and Sonu sir would be there. Okay. And final test would be the mock test. Okay. So there we all would be together. Okay. So there the war will be between you and us, because we would be presenting the question, you would be answering. Okay. So let us see who will win on that day. So goodbye, guys.
Fluid mechanics question was so much easy, sir. So actually, I didn't put any numerical, but
कोई बात नहीं sir, next में put कर लेना numerical. Okay.
Simple questions were there, so simple questions. Okay, no issue. All the best, guys. We'll meeting on 26th of January. Bye bye. Good night. Jai Hind.